How to fix video unavailable on Amazon Prime. Now, if the content that you want to watch is not available in Amazon Prime for the moment, that might have been caused because of many reasons. You have to consider the reasons at first and then you can fix the issue. One of the very common reasons for that problem to occur is because of your region and country, because some specific content might not be available for your country. In that case, one thing that you can do is to use VPNs and also ask the Amazon Prime customer service to give or make those contents available to you. Now, if it is caused by some other issues such as your internet connections, you should check that, or you can also try logging out and re-log in your Amazon account in your Amazon Prime Video, and you might see the video available in your Amazon Prime again. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.